Yesterday, we had a tough day, banging, wrenching and almost burning the shed down.
Quick, fire! Tom, health and safety.
But by the time we stopped, we were well underway.
OK, so look, right, we're doing quite well. We've got the engine out, we've got to get the gearbox out, we've got to get the rear wheel, front wheel, handlebars, all that kind of caper. And by the end of play today, we might actually have a frame, a bare frame, for us to look at and cogitate, hey? Are you going to say anything this morning or not?
Chains off.
Is that it?
For a minute, yeah.
OK, rear wheel coming out.
No, I think it's a two-part spindle for a sort of quick-release rear wheel.
Oh, I really want to say that. I think it's a two-part spindle, quick-release rear wheel.
The Gold Star was fitted with a so-called QD, quickly detachable rear wheel. Not that this little puppy seems to know it.
Various things holding it all together.
What's happening there?
No, it's just stuck on the spline in here.
What else if I put some penetrating on it?
Well, you do that if it makes you feel better, but
It won't work.
relatively pointless.
Why?
It's only when I apply an OPEX-sized slather of penetrating oil to loosen it that it finally emerges.
Well, I'm sure now that when it does come out, you'll...
Yeah, say that it was the
Congratulate
penetrating oil.
yourself.
Yeah, of course I will.
Now
There
I've
you
got
go.
the
You see,
other-
now look, sorry, can I stop you right there? That did move much quicker.
When I went and got two screwdrivers
No,
rather
when
than
I
one.
sprayed it with penetrating oil.
Next, it's the gearbox's turn to surrender.
Look at that. It's filthy. Hey? Everything's coming away now. Blimey, just loads of
disgusting.
stuff.
Look at that!
Bingo!
Isn't that the most disgusting bike you ever saw?
Do you know what, mate? I mean, you've had many more years, but I've got to, I've never seen anything like it.
No, I don't think I have, actually.
I mean, there's things living in it. There's 2-bed flats in there. Look. And cut.
Handlebars are off.
After that, the rest comes off pretty easily,
Don't drop it.
I'm not dropping it.
until finally,
Ready?
it's the front end's turn.
Oi, oi!
There go the ball bearings.
Yeah,
We'll replace those.
they'll all be replaced.
All right,
Well
look
done,
at
mate.
that.
OK, I'm gonna... Oh, it's stuck
The
in that.
discombobulation of the BSA Gold Star is virtually complete. We still haven't managed to break everything down, so a few pleasures we'll save for later.
Yeah. Still can't get the mudguard off.
After 2 days, the Gold Star is a pile of parts and a naked frame.
Well, mate, look, hey, that is the first part of the journey completed in its deconstruction.
It's all in big lumps, isn't it?
Mate, hey, now begins